Gamarjoba. Wake up, sleepyheads. I'm in Georgia today. And as usual, I got up at 6 a.m. while you were dreaming to film for you one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Batumi. So wake up and run with me. Let's go.
Batumi was originally settled in the 8th-7th centuries before Christ and was known in ancient times as a Greek colony called Bathislimen, meaning deep harbor. Over the centuries, Batumi has been under many rulers, Georgians, Ottomans, Russians, each leaving their mark on the city's architecture and culture. In 1878, Batumi was ceded from the Ottoman Empire to the Russian Empire. This marked a major phase of modernization, railways, oil pipeline, turning Batumi into a key port on the Black Sea. Today, Batumi is the capital of the Autonomous Republic of Adjara in Georgia, blending seaside resort charm with industrial and port history. Welcome to Batumi, amazing city of Georgia, the pearl of Black Sea. Today I'm in Batumi and I will try to show you all the beauty of this amazing, beautiful city. Follow me.
Good morning, friends. This is the project Running City, and today we are in beautiful, majestic Georgia. Today's our host city is Batumi, the pearl of Black Sea. And today I will run with my old friend from childhood, George. He kindly agreed to run with me, and we will try to show you all the beauty of this majestic city of Batumi. Thank you very much for joining me today.
I'm glad we are doing this together, man.
So let's choose directions.
Okay.
Right and left. Okay. Okay. Right, left.
Okay.
Let's go. See you.
Neptune, Roman-style Georgian spirit. And his abs are making me feel really insecure.
So guys, this is golden statue of Medea with golden fleece in her hands. She's the most famous woman in Georgian mythology. Let's run.
Butterfly woman soaring above Batumi Boulevard. And then I'm ground to here by gravity and yesterday's Hachapi.
So, guys, this is Piazza Square of Batumi, inspired by Piazza of San Marco in Venice. So if you have been in Venice, you know what I'm talking about. And if you have not been yet in Venice, you can watch my previous videos, there is an episode from Venice. Enjoy. Let's go.
Batumi Piazza opened around 2010 and was designed by architect Vaja Orbelazze, inspired by Italian piazzas, creating a somewhat Europe in Batumi ambience. One of its signature features, a massive figurative marble mosaic created by Georgian Swiss artist Natalia De Pita Amiregibi, considered the largest of its kind in Europe. The piazza is surrounded by cafes, open-air restaurants, bars, and during evenings and summers becomes a cultural hub for music events and socializing.
Batumi Boulevard, the seaside walk, which is older than most of the TikTok trends and just as addictive. Colonnades are built in 1934 and Instagrammed in 2024.
Guys, this is Ellie and Nino statue. They move toward to each other and then pass right through. Romantic? Yes. Let's run. Guys, Batumi lighthouse still shining after 150 years. It's a little bit rainy, but I think not for long. Let's run further. Guys, this is Tower of Georgian alphabet. 33 letters. They are made like 2 DNA chains. Very interesting statue. Let's go.
The alphabetic tower was built in 2012 and stands about 130 meters tall in Batumi. It was created to honor the Georgian alphabet, the 33 letters, and the national identity. Its design resembles a double helix DNA entwined by the 33 letters of the Georgian alphabet, symbolizing how language is the genetic code of a nation. At night, the tower's lighting and its seaside location make it a striking landmark, a perfect visual moment in your run through Batumi.
So guys, as you remember, there is a challenge for you from the previous episode. You should guess in which country I would run the next episode. So as you guess, this country is beautiful Georgia. This is my homeland. I grew up here. And so the correct answer is Georgia. And the first 3 correct answers will receive 3 t-shirts like this and 3 thermal stickers with your running city. Okay, let's go further. And as usual, this is my journey.
Batumi is traffic's most peaceful moment. I mean, no honking, no traffic, no chaos, just a lady on the bike. Cool. Then in the middle of Georgian Passion. Then in the middle of Georgian Passion. But I still cannot find the exit. Then in the middle of Georgian Passion. Though I cannot find the exit yet. Then in the middle of Georgian Passion. Though I still cannot find the exit. Wypałe!
Guys, Batumi's Central Park, palms, fountains and peace, and a little bit of rain. Very nice place to run. There is a lake, green breath, morning green breath. So like the video and subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. Look what a nice view. Lake, park, and skyscrapers. Like in New York. So guys, Batumi is amazing in the night. I can't tell you all the beauty of the city in the night. So here's a surprise from me, and just after these words you will see shots and films of night Batumi. So press like and enjoy.
As the sun sets, Batumi transforms. Rooftop bars, beachfront lounges, clubs open until late, casinos, the city pulsing with modern entertainment. Batumi's seafront promenade and boulevard attract both locals and tourists after dark, with music, lights, and vibrant street life by the Black Sea. Because of this mix of resort hotels, casinos, and nightlife, some call Batumi the Vegas of the Black Sea, a place where ancient harbor meets modern party.
So guys, somebody called it the city of contrast, somebody called New Las Vegas because of skyscrapers and night shining and a lot of casinos. They are in every 100-200 meters. But for me, Georgia is first of all traditions, culture, history, ancient history, and of course Georgian cuisine is the tastiest cuisine in the world, the best of all. Really, trust me. And visit Georgia for sure. And of course Batumi. And of course, take a run. So guys, I'm back at European Square. My run is finished for today and I'm waiting for George. I'm faster. Press like and subscribe. So we are waiting for him. See you later.
Seeing the dolphins today, though I heard them laughing at my running form.
So guys, 5 kilometers in Batumi is done and I'm still waiting for George and he's finally there. Finally, I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, oh, sorry, man, sorry.
So, 5?
5 and 90.
Okay, so how are your expectations?
Ooh, amazing.
Amazing.
As usual, running is always perfect thing to do in the morning.
Yeah, it's a little run, but no worries.
As they say in Georgia, we are not sugars.
So, George, my friend, I have one present for you. Here is running cities t-shirt.
Oh.
It demonstrates that you have run 5 kilometers with me. And here is beautiful sticker Batumi, so you can transfer it to the t-shirt. So, thank you very much again, and I invite you for next episode to run with me.
Okay, I will
Maybe
see.
you are tired, I don't know.
I am. But let's.
Okay, let's run together. So, running cities made for run. Wait for us for the next episode. So guys, it was running cities in Batumi, and let's run with me to the next episode, to the next city. Press like and run with me. Running cities made for run. See you in the next episode.